This is our executive cabinet door. It's constructed with a cope and stick joint and a raised panel with 1/8 of an inch reveal. The inside detail is pretty large. It's 3/4 of an inch in width. The stiles and rails of this door are 3 inches in width. The outside detail is very simple. Just like the panel, it cuts down sharply at a 90-degree angle and then just kind of rounds over and straightens out to the back of the door. This one is shown in our unfinished stain grade select maple. The thickness of our door is a standard 13/16 of an inch. The minimum ordering size for this door is 9 3/16 wide by 9 1/8 of an inch in height. The maximum ordering size is 48 inches wide and 60 inches in height.